Good morning, I'm Daryl Potton. Welcome to my channel. Yesterday, me and my son went to the music store to get strings. Today, we're going to try to get him on the guitar. We wanted to do this video outside because it's a little better lighting. First thing we're going to do, we're going to get these old strings off of this. You're going to want to take this plate off right here. There's 6 screws in it, so it's easier access to the strings. You're going to want to make sure your strings go underneath this little metal bracket right here. On the tuner heads, you want to make sure that the large strings don't go more than 2 wraps because it's going to come out of tune easy. Smaller strings, you can go 2 or 3 times. Then on this end of the guitar, you want to make sure these strings are sitting down in that saddle notch. that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.